Welcome to our channel. If you have ever faced the frustration of a seized engine, you know how essential it is to have the right penetrating oil. In today's video, we are diving into the top 10 penetrating oils that can help you get your engine back in working order. Whether you are dealing with rusted parts or stubborn bolts, these products are designed to penetrate, lubricate, and free up those troublesome areas. Let's get started with our first product. At the first position of our list, we have the WD-40 Specialist Penetrant Smart Straw. This product is a staple in many garages, and for good reason. Its smart straw design allows for precise application, ensuring that the penetrating oil reaches even the most hard-to-access areas. The 11-ounce can provide ample product for multiple uses. Quality-wise, WD-40 is a trusted name, and this penetrate lives up to the brand's reputation. It's formulated to work quickly, breaking through rust and corrosion to loosen seized parts. The Smart Straw feature makes it incredibly user-friendly, allowing for both a wide spray and a precision stream, making it versatile for various applications. Durability is key with WD-40 Specialist Penetrant. It's designed to withstand extreme temperatures, ensuring consistent performance whether you are walking in a hot garage or out in the cold. This oil is effective on metal, rubber, and plastic, making it a versatile choice for any mechanic. At number 2, we have Kroil Deep Penetrating Oil Rust Remover. This product comes in a 1-gallon container, making it perfect for those who need a large quantity of penetrating oil for ongoing projects. It's specially formulated to break down rust and corrosion, making it ideal for seized engines. The design of the 1-gallon container ensures that you have enough product for extensive use. Kroil is known for its fast-acting formula that starts working immediately upon contact. This penetrating oil is particularly effective at freeing up rusted bolts, hinges, and other metal parts that have become immobile due to rust. In terms of quality, Kroil stands out with its industrial-strength formulation. It's designed to be highly effective yet safe to use on a variety of surfaces. This oil also provides long-lasting lubrication, which helps to prevent future rust and corrosion. Next up at number 3, we have Kroil Original Penetrating Oil Aerosol Spray. This product comes in a 10-ounce case, and it's renowned for its powerful penetrating capabilities. Kroil has a long history of being used in industrial and automotive applications, and this aerosol spray makes it easy to apply. One of the standard features of Kroil is its ability to penetrate extremely tight spaces. Its unique formula works its way into microscopic crevices, dissolving rust and loosening seized parts. The aerosol spray design ensures that the oil is evenly distributed, providing true coverage and effectiveness. Quality-wise, Kroil is unmatched in its category. The oil is not only effective at penetrating and loosening rust but also provides excellent lubrication, reducing wear and tear on moving parts. It's a reliable choice for anyone dealing with tough rusted or seized components. The number 4 position is held by Kroil Original Penetrating Oil Drip. This product is a great option. This 8-ounce bottle allows for precise dripping of the oil, making it perfect for targeted applications on specific parts. The drip bottle design ensures that you can apply the oil exactly where it's needed without any waste. Kroil's formula remains consistent in this format, providing the same high level of penetration and rust dissolution. It's particularly useful for small integrated parts where aerosol sprays might be too bold. Durability and effectiveness are key highlights of Kroil Drip. It maintains its superior performance in breaking down rust and lubricating parts, ensuring that seized engines and components can be freed up with minimal effort. This product is a favorite among professionals for its precision and reliability. The number 5 position is dominated by Kroil Rust Eater Deep Penetrating Oil. This oil comes in an 11-ounce can designed to tackle the toughest rust and corrosion. This product is formulated to penetrate deep into metal surfaces, breaking down rust and freeing seized components effectively. Kroil's Rust Eater is known for its fast-acting formula, which begins to work upon application. The 11-ounce can provide a generous amount of product, making it suitable for multiple uses. Its penetrating capabilities are enhanced by a special formulation that allows it to seep into tight spaces and dissolve rust. Quality and usability are top-notch with Kroil Rust Eater. The oil is designed to provide long-lasting lubrication, preventing future rust and corrosion. It's safe to use on various surfaces, making it a versatile tool for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts alike. This product is a reliable choice for anyone dealing with stubborn rusted parts. Next up at number 6, we have Blaster 16PB Penetrating Catalyst. This product is a well-known name in the world of penetrating oils. This 11-ounce can is designed to provide a powerful penetrating action, breaking through rust and corrosion to free seized parts quickly and effectively. Blaster's formulation is particularly effective at loosening rusted poles, nuts, and other metal parts. The 11-ounce can ensures that you have plenty of product for multiple applications. Its fast-acting nature means that you won't have to wait long to see results, making it a convenient option for quick fixes. Durability and effectiveness are key features of the Blaster 16 PB. It's designed to work in a variety of conditions, providing reliable performance in both hot and cold environments. The penetrating catalyst is also designed to provide long-lasting lubrication, helping to prevent future rust and corrosion. At the 7th position of our list, we have Liquid Wrench L106 Penetrating Oil. Comes in a 5.5-ounce can, offering a compact yet powerful solution for penetrating and loosening rusted parts. This product is known for its fast-acting formula that quickly breaks down rust and corrosion. The 5.5-ounce can is perfect for those who need a portable and easy-to-use penetrating oil. Liquid Wrench is designed to penetrate deep into metal surfaces, freeing up seized components with ease. Its formulation is also designed to provide long-lasting lubrication, reducing the need for frequent reapplication. Quality-wise, Liquid Wrench stands out with its industrial-strength formula. It's safe to use on a variety of surfaces, making it a versatile choice for different applications. The compact size makes it easy to carry around, ensuring that you have a reliable penetrating oil on hand whenever you need it. At number 8, we have CRC Knocker Loose Plus Penetrating Solvent. The solvent comes in an 11.5-ounce can, offering a powerful solution for breaking down rust and freezing seized parts. This product is designed to penetrate deep into metal surfaces, dissolving rust and providing excellent lubrication. CRC's Knocker Loose Plus is known for its effectiveness at loosening rusted bolts, nuts, and other metal components. The 11.5-ounce can provides ample product for multiple uses, ensuring that you have enough penetrating oil for various applications. Its fast-acting formula begins working immediately upon contact, making it a convenient option for quick fixes. Durability and quality are key features of CRC Knocker Loose Plus. The oil is designed to provide long-lasting lubrication, preventing future rust and corrosion. It's also safe to use on a variety of surfaces, making it a versatile choice for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts alike. Next up at number 9, we have Mars Milk Penetrating Oil. This oil is a unique product in the world of penetrating oils. It's known for its powerful formulation that penetrates deep into metal surfaces, breaking down rust and freezing seized components effectively. Mars Milk comes in a variety of sizes, making it a versatile choice for different applications. Its unique formulation is designed to work quickly, dissolving rust and providing excellent lubrication. The oil is also known for its ability to penetrate extremely tight spaces, ensuring that even the most stubborn parts can be freed up. Quality and effectiveness are top-notch with Mars Milk. It's designed to provide long-lasting lubrication, preventing future rust and corrosion. The oil is also safe to use on a variety of surfaces, making it a reliable choice for anyone dealing with seized engines and rusted parts. Last but certainly not least, at number 10, we have 3-in-1 Multi-Purpose Oil. This 8-ounce bottle is a versatile and reliable solution for penetrating and lubricating rusted parts. It's designed to penetrate deep into metal surfaces, breaking down rust and providing excellent lubrication. 3-in-1 Multi-Purpose Oil is known for its effectiveness at loosening rusted bolts, nuts, and other metal components. The 8-ounce bottle provides ample product for multiple uses, making it a cost-effective option. Its fast-acting formula begins working immediately upon contact, ensuring quick and effective results. Durability and quality are key features of 3-in-1 Multi-Purpose Oil. It's designed to provide long-lasting lubrication, preventing future rust and corrosion. The oil is also safe to use on a variety of surfaces, making it a versatile choice for different applications. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Auto Gear for more tips and reviews. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you have tried any of these products. Would love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video.